Okay, it's Tuesday, February 22nd. Just wanted to highlight, I took a small loss on AVGO. I sold it here at 584.17 and I bought it at 586.06. So I wanted to highlight this trade and show you why it's important to take small losses and kind of what developed on the trade. I bought it here on this upper blue line, the breakout of the first 15-minute bar. It actually went up close to 3 points almost immediately. And if you look at the daily chart, I was trying to hold on. Once it took out this target here on a 2-up day, the target was 591.38. So I was looking to scale out somewhere in that area, but obviously price didn't get there and started back lower. And at that point, what happened was we came back, we paused, we started up on this bar here, bar number 4, and then when we came down, and you almost could have sold close to break even, breaking the low of that bar and then trying again possibly. I kind of waited to the bottom of that bar and I sold out here at that blue line. So very small loss, and you can see on the day, that's why you get out of these things if they're going to fail. Sometimes you can get right back in, but other times, once they collapse, they go a lot lower. And as it turns out, this was a 50% rule, which I wasn't really focused on, but it's a great, when you have a failed 2-up, which was taking out the highs of the previous day, come 50% of that prior day, then at that point, especially in an overall downtrend, you're going to then target the lows of the previous day. So you could have got short here, right? And that would have aligned if I look back, I believe, at the close of yesterday. And again, breaking below the midpoint of that first bar, somewhere in that area. So somewhere in here, this was a good 50% short. And you could see it did come down and take out yesterday's lows. So, but the important thing is forgetting that I did take a long trade here. There were reasons to take it. I had good, some good context in play, and it actually followed through pretty nicely. It was close to even scaling out and maybe setting up a no-risk trade, but I didn't do it. So at that point, I just had to get out here. Very small loss. And again, this just shows you the importance of why you take a small loss, because if you didn't and you held on, that would kill you right here. So you got to take small losses in this game. There were a bunch of other good trades today, so everything's fine, and just kind of wanted to point that out.